Hello student, welcome back to our chemistry class. We were studying the different type of chemical reaction. To continue with the same, let us study today the last reaction, oxidation and reduction reaction. If a substance gains oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be oxidized. If a substance loses oxygen during a reaction, it is said to be reduced. If one reactant gets oxidized while the other gets reduced during a reaction, such reactions are called oxidation reduction reaction or redox reaction. If a substance gains oxygen or loses hydrogen during a reaction, it is said to be oxidized. If a substance loses oxygen or gains hydrogen during a reaction, it is said to be reduced. So, oxidation means gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen, and reduction reaction means gain of hydrogen or loss of oxygen. There are two types of agent, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Oxidizing agent. It is a substance which gives oxygen or gain hydrogen. It is also be termed as it reduce itself and so bring about the oxidation of the other. Reducing agent. It is a substance which gain oxygen or give hydrogen. It can also be termed as it oxidizes itself and reduces the other. Understand oxidation reduction reaction, that is redox reaction, with the help of an activity. Here you can see the diagram. We are heating a china dish which is containing about 1 gram of copper powder. What do we observe? We observe that the surface of the copper powder becomes coated with the black copper oxide. Why had it turned to black substance? This is because oxygen is added to copper and forms copper oxide. To this, if hydrogen gas is passed, the black coating on the surface turns brown as a reverse reaction takes place and copper is obtained. Here, during this reaction, the copper oxide is losing oxygen and is being reduced to copper. The hydrogen is gaining oxygen and is being oxidized. In other words, one reactant gets reduced while the other gets oxidized during a reaction. So, such a reactions are called oxidation reduction reaction or redox reaction. Let us see the effect of oxidation reaction in everyday life. We are discussing here two phenomena, corrosion and rancidity. Student, you have noticed that if an iron article which is shining is left open, particularly during the rainy season, it forms reddish brown layer on it. This is because it has undergone oxidation reaction. It reacts with the oxygen and water present in the air, forming iron oxide, which is commonly called as rust, and the process is called rusting. Similarly, silver gets tarnished, that is, it turns black. This is because it reacts with H2S gas, hydrogen sulfide gas, which is present in air in very less amount, forming silver sulfide. Also, you have noticed copper turning green in color. This is because copper reacts with the carbon present in the air, forming copper carbonate. All these phenomena is known as corrosion. Corrosion. When a metal is attacked by substance around it, such as moisture, acids, etc., it is said to corrode, and this phenomena is called corrosion. Corrosion causes damage to many iron articles, car bodies, bridges, etc. Corrosion of iron is a serious problem. It affects any country economy. How we can prevent corrosion? There are various ways we can prevent corrosion. By painting the metals, alloying, greasing, galvanization, chrome plating, anodizing. We are going to study these methods of prevention in the next chapters. The second phenomena of oxidation is rancidity. This is another oxidation phenomena you would observe in everyday life. When fats and oils are oxidized, they become rancid and their smell and taste change. Usually, substances which prevent oxidation, antioxidants are added to food containing fats and oil. Keeping food in an airtight containers will help to slow down oxidation. This prevents the food from becoming rancid and hence chips are flushed with nitrogen gas to prevent it from rancidity. Student, please go through the chapter and solve the NCERT question answers of the same. Thank you.